In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to create a document right from your inbox, use ClickUp's AI to generate a lesson plan, and finish by giving your doc a clean, searchable title. I'll keep things simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to your inbox. If you use multiple workspaces, just make sure you're in the one where you want the document to live. The inbox is the primary tab that shows updates and tasks, and it also gives you quick access to create new items. Once you're in, look for the plus icon. Depending on your view, it may appear near the top of the inbox or alongside the composer. This is your universal Create button. Click the plus icon, and from the Creation menu, choose Doc. This opens a new ClickUp doc in the editor. Docs in ClickUp autosave, which means you can focus on writing without worrying about losing progress. You'll see a clean canvas with basic formatting options, and that's all you need for now. Inside the doc, find the Write with AI option in the toolbar. It may appear as a button or a small sparkle icon. Clicking it opens the AI assistant, which can draft content directly into your document. This is perfect when you have a clear outcome in mind and want a fast first draft you can refine. In the AI prompt, type, "Create lesson plan." Keeping the prompt short and direct works well here, but if you want stronger results, you can add quick context like subject, grade level, or topic after the initial phrase. The AI will generate a structured lesson plan outline right in your doc. Give it a moment to complete, then skim through the content to make sure it fits your goals. You can edit anything immediately, revise headings, add timing, or insert resources as needed. When you're happy with the content, add a title to your document at the top. Choose a name that makes it easy to find later. A clear naming convention helps a lot. For example, include the topic and date or the team or course it belongs to. Good titles make search, sharing, and organization much easier across your workspace. That's it. You opened Inbox, created a doc from the plus icon, used Write with AI to generate a lesson plan by typing Create Lesson Plan, and wrapped up by adding a descriptive title.